In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to sign out of Google Photos account. Now open your Google Photos app, here we go. At the top right corner, you can see your profile icon, tap on it. You can see that I am logged into my Google Photos account. Now here you can't see the option of sign out, so you have to minimize this app. Now go to settings, open your settings app. Now scroll down. You can see the option of accounts and sync, tap on that option. Again scroll down, you can see the option of Google, tap on it. Now on the bottom you can see the option of more, tap on it. And then tap on remove account. Tap on again remove account. Now you can go and check your Google Photos account. Here I'm opening my Google Photos app. Now at the top right corner you can see your profile icon, tap on it. You can see that I have logged out of my Google Photos account. In this way, you can easily sign out from Google Photos account. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And please let us know in the comment section what video YouTube recommends you on the screen, and I will see you there.